got one fan in this thing.
I was pretty amazed.
Do I like fedoras? Not particularly. Don't hate them. Give an example of a personal symbol, a cultural symbol, and a universal symbol. God. It answers all three questions. There you go. We were best friends.
You
we
can
were
burp in the mic here.
I forget.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, imagine that with a fart coming out
I
simultaneously.
know.
And I get a text from her, this amazing text. Excuse me. This amazing text.
Best guest ever. I mean,
so
we
sorry,
got the
guys.
fart
I'm
song. We
Episode
got
500,
sorry.
man.
This
Episode
is
500.
So sorry you can't burp like me.
Blockbuster.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Whatever.
An embarrassing thing? I burp so often, it's kind of a problem.
I can do the entire interview in
Okay. I'm sorry about that. Oh, my bad. That's exactly how it goes. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Yeah, I burped. So in my family growing up, my mom's side of the family's Polynesian, so if you burped the loudest, that meant you were the most grateful for the meal. Burping is not seen as rude in my family. It's okay. You burp and you talk with it. You say, thank you, as you're burping. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, no. Excuse me.
In real life, in game, and
It's a special. Excuse me.
You guys about to get the chills. Ready?
Sarah Kate, I don't know what that means.
Take the sunny steps.
yeah,
Outside of the map.
it's a very common route.
I believe in us. All right, that was a burp. Beer burp.